So I think, there's this thought of we have to do social media, and we do tell our clients, like, you need to have a presence on social media. Social media is very well search engine optimized, and so having Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and YouTube, especially because it's owned by Google, those are all really good things that you need to do. So yes, having a social media presence is in that way is really important for search engine optimization. So yes, you need to do something. But that is one strategy. We want to be search engine optimized, right? We want search engines to find our content and feed it out to public, to our target markets. Yeah, that's great. But beyond that, for example, to do a content calendar for a client, what we might want to do is look at their core values and say, okay, you care about culture and you care about attracting a client that is in alignment with your core values. And so let's look at those values. So if one value is community, maybe you're doing a Tuesday post every week about community service that your company is doing. If your value is about rewarding employees, then maybe you're entering award shows, awards competitions, and then you're rewarding your employees in some way, and then you're putting that on social media. If a core value is around gratitude, then maybe you're doing social media posts around things that the people on your team are grateful for, or things that clients have expressed gratitude to you about for doing something great for them. So, using core values would be a way to drive a strategy that's around culture and pushing that culture out into the communities and to attract a target market, a prospect that really aligns with that particular value. So that's one way that you could have a strategy driving the social media tactics.